If activity underscore main dot xml file is missing from your main bar or it is closed by you by a mistake, well, don't worry at all. You can easily reopen it. Here you can see on the left side res folder under app, res, that stands for resources basically. Well, just click on it to see subfolders. Here you will see layout. Click on it to explore subfiles. That's it, man. Activity underscore main file. Just double click on it and then it will be reopened here where you want to write your code. So that's how you can easily open your activity underscore main.xml file if it's missing from your main bar or it is closed by you by a mistake. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you, and yes, subscribe.